everyone, this is Midnight, and this is Midnight. I just got her yesterday. She's 8 months old. She's not fully house trained. She's half Chihuahua and half weenie dog, so she's a little teeny. And her name is Midnight also. And I love my baby. So along with Harley and Shiloh, this will be the other mascot of random stuff. And little man's somewhere out here, or he probably went inside. Nope, he went inside. Since Midnight's not fully potty trained, we're trying to teach her to go outside. But right now she just wants her mommy. I just got back from the store getting her a collar that I've not had time to put on her just yet. Oh, look at your guys. You want to hold her leash while I go get the collar?
Sure.
Might have to get a little closer to her so you're not choking on her.
Midnight.
I'll be right back, honey.
Mama will be okay. You're okay, baby. Dark Rose here, and I know I'm in the sun, which is not great, but yeah, it's an introduction to Midnight because, well, Midnight's puppy, well, Midnight the puppy. Yeah. So yeah, we just got her a collar today. Just got her yesterday.
A collar.
You can look to see if it's in the shot or not. Or do you want to hold it? You can hold it if you want.
Yeah, it's in the shot.
You can hold it if you want.
No, I want to get my baby dressed because she's about to slip out of that.
Does it fit?
Yeah, but it's big on her. It needs to be readjusted big time. I know you missed me. I know.
Well, you don't want it to. We get the butt. You don't want it too tight, though.
I know, but I can easily slip it off of her. But yeah, she missed her mama. I love you too. I've not got kisses from you all day since I yelled at you about pooping on the floor.
I don't think she had to go to the bathroom. I think she was just
wanting her mama.
Yeah.
Let's get her in. You can go and step that off now. This is Midnight and Midnight.
And Dark Rose.
Signing off.
Bye-bye.